There's nothing quite like homemade ice cream. Store-bought can't compare. This guide will help you make delicious ice cream. Get ready for a tasty treat. This recipe is easy to follow. You'll be surprised how simple it is. Soon, you'll be an ice cream expert. Let's get churning! Before we start, let's gather everything we need. This recipe uses simple ingredients. You probably already have most of them. Check your pantry and fridge. 2 cups heavy cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and your favorite toppings like chocolate chips, sprinkles, or fruit. You'll also need a few tools. Don't worry, nothing fancy. A large bowl, an electric mixer, a whisk, a freezer-safe container, and plastic wrap. Make sure you have everything ready. Then we can move on to the fun part. Now let's make some ice cream. Get ready to embark on a delightful journey of creating your very own homemade ice cream. It's easier than you think, and the results are absolutely delicious. Follow these easy steps, and you'll have delicious ice cream in no time. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Step 1. Pour the heavy cream into the large bowl. Make sure to use fresh, high-quality cream for the best results. The cream is the base of your ice cream, so its quality is crucial. Use the electric mixer to whip the cream. Whip until stiff peaks form. This step is essential for achieving that perfect creamy texture. Be patient and keep an eye on the consistency. Step 2. Gently fold in the condensed milk. Be careful not to overmix. The condensed milk adds sweetness and richness to your ice cream, so fold it in gently to maintain the airy texture. You want a light and fluffy texture. This is what gives your ice cream that melt-in-your-mouth quality. Take your time to ensure the mixture is well combined but still airy. Step 3. Stir in the vanilla extract. Vanilla adds a classic flavor that complements the creamy base. Use pure vanilla extract for the best taste. You can use other extracts too. Try almond, mint, or rum. Experiment with different flavors to create your own unique ice cream. The possibilities are endless. Step 4. Now add your favorite toppings. This is where you can get creative. Think chocolate chips, nuts, fruit, or even cookie pieces. The more the merrier. Mix them in well, or save some for later. Toppings add texture and extra bursts of flavor to your ice cream. Make sure they're evenly distributed for the best experience. Section 4. The freezing process. Patience is key. Making ice cream at home is a delightful experience, but it requires a bit of patience to get it just right. Almost done. Now it's time to freeze the ice cream. This is where the magic happens, transforming your creamy mixture into a delicious frozen treat. This part takes a few hours, but trust me, it's worth the wait. The freezing process allows the flavors to meld together and the texture to become perfectly smooth. Step 1. Pour the ice cream mixture into the freezer-safe container. Make sure to use a container that is airtight to prevent any ice crystals from forming. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap. This helps to keep the ice cream fresh and prevents any unwanted freezer odors from seeping in. Step 2. Place the container in the freezer. Find a spot where it can sit undisturbed for several hours. Let it freeze for at least 6 hours. Overnight is even better. The longer it freezes, the better the texture will be. Step 3. After a few hours, check the ice cream. Give it a gentle stir to ensure even freezing. It should be firm and frozen. If it has reached the right consistency, it's ready to enjoy. If not, freeze it for longer. Sometimes, depending on your freezer, it might take a bit more time. Be patient, and you'll be rewarded with perfect homemade ice cream. Section 5. Flavor variations. Unleash your creativity. Ice cream is a canvas for your culinary artistry. This recipe is just the beginning. Think of it as your base, your starting point. You can create endless flavor combinations. The possibilities are truly limitless. Let your imagination run wild. Experiment with different ingredients and see what you come up with. Chocolate lovers, add half a cup of cocoa powder to the mixture. This will give you a rich, decadent chocolate flavor. Fold in chocolate chips for extra indulgence. The more, the merrier. Fruit frenzy. Stir in 1 cup of your favorite berries. Fresh or frozen, both work wonderfully. Strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries are all delicious. Each adds a unique burst of flavor. Nutty Delight. Toast half a cup of chopped nuts. This enhances their flavor and adds a delightful crunch. Pecans, walnuts, or almonds add a satisfying crunch. Choose your favorite or mix them up. Remember to adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Everyone's palate is different. You can add more or less condensed milk. Taste as you go to get it just right. The joy of making your own ice cream is in the customization. Make it your own and enjoy every bite. Section 6. Serving your masterpiece. Your homemade ice cream is ready. Scoop it into bowls or cones. Get creative with your toppings. Classic toppings. Whipped cream, chocolate sauce, sprinkles, and cherries are always a hit. Fruity delights. Fresh fruit, berry compote, or a drizzle of honey add a touch of freshness. Decadent treats. Chopped nuts, crumbled cookies, or mini chocolate chips elevate the indulgence. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different combinations and find your favorites. Section 7. Conclusion. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Congratulations, you've made delicious homemade ice cream. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Grab a spoon and dig in. Share your creation with friends and family. They'll be impressed by your culinary skills. Don't forget to ask for their feedback. Making homemade ice cream is a fun and rewarding experience. So gather your ingredients, follow these easy steps, and get churning.